Terve and welcome back to the Finman channel. I'm Joachim and today we are going to check out this. I bought Rode Wireless Go microphone. Why Rode Wireless Go when there is now Rode Wireless Go 2? Well, because you can get these pretty cheap now. This was a little over 100 euros and I needed something like this. So today we are going to unbox this and check out what's inside and do a couple short tests. But without further ado, let's open the box itself. I try to open this nicely. Here we go. So what we have a wire and we have one of these wind thingies on microphone, another one of these wind thingies on microphone, regulatory and safety, and Wireless Go quick start guide. That's cool. Then we have a little pouch. That's cool. And one of these. Do not eat. Let's not eat that. Then we have, oh, let's see, there's more stuff in here. There's wires, charging cable, that's nice, and another charging cable. Two charging cable because there are two items inside. There. We have a, okay, which one is which? We have a microphone transmitter and then we have a receiver. Very cool. So yes, receiver and transmitter, two fur windshields, SC4 cable, two USB-C cables, carry pouch, and some manuals. Let's check out the manual real fast. Oh, this is nice. It's almost like Lego manual. Nice. Okay, let's take this and cool. It's on, and then we take this and press the button. Let's press this button 3 seconds so that the lights are on. It's working. We have battery. We have full batteries. That's cool. Straight out of the box. Interesting. There on top of this is the microphone, and we can use the wind shield protector, whatever it was called, windshield on there. That's nice to get a little nicer sound. Then we have USB charging port here on the side and power button underneath here. This other side, this has dB button. I'm not sure what that is, and it's picking up the voice. It's picking up this. Okay, that works pretty well. Nice. I'm doing lots of outside project and project in space and everything, so sometimes it's really hard and a little bit clumsy to use this set I have over here. So that's why I decided I need something like this to be able to do everything I want to do. dB. What is dB? Not very much. I guess there's a... yeah, the manual is in internet. But yeah, I guess it's fairly simple. Let's connect this to this camera in here. Nice wire. Connect it in here. And then connect it in. Ah, interesting. My cameras, my GoPros don't have this kind of jack. 3.5 millimeter. But I have this adapter on this camera here. But let's do a little sound test, if you will. First, microphone test on my old phone, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Then another test on my new phone, OnePlus 9. Testing, 1, 2, 3. And then now we are testing Rode Wireless Go with my GoPro camera. How does it sound? Which one sounded best? Let me know in the comments. And while you are down in the comments, remember to subscribe to see future content on this channel. I guess I could put the microphone in here, and how does it sound now? It's a little bit closer to my mouth, so maybe it works just fine. And the best part is with this camera, this microphone now, that I can go away from the room and even take another camera with me and go outside of the room and check out stuff, and it should still record on the other camera everything I'm doing. Now I'm behind the brick wall in my workshop. There on the other side is the receiver. And now I'm gonna go outside. There are two brick walls now in between. We'll see how it works. And we're back. What do you think? Is the old Rode better than this new one? Or is the new one better than the old one? Let's switch back. And now we have the old one, old Rode microphone on again. But what do you think? Was the sound better with these or with the video mic? Let me know down in the comments. And yeah, remember to like the video while you're there. But I mean, I can't help. I can't do much anything about myself, but I try to get some new gear every now and then and try to make a little bit better content. And this is going to help me in the future projects. I kind of forgot that my cameras don't have 3.5mm jacks to put this in, but I can always use my phones or something unless I buy a secondary adapter for these GoPro cameras. But yeah, let me know. What do you think? I'm pretty excited. I can even use these. I'm gonna try these on my computer stuff, on my gaming channel too. Check out that channel. The link is down in the comments also. And then one more test. With this microphone, I've been having some issues when I connect to app on the phone. So the wireless connection is giving some interference. I'm not sure if you can hear it now, but it does that. Let's see if it's the same with this new microphone. There, now it's with the new one. Because it would be amazing if I could get footage without interference while I'm using this app. Because this app helps me so much to check out if I'm in picture in middle. At the moment I'm gonna show you. I'm using this. I put it here on the hook, and then I check that if it's in the picture properly. Because while I sit here, it's about at the same height as my head. High tech! So we'll see. Of course, I don't know this stuff until I reach to the post-production, editing and stuff like that. But yeah, I guess that's it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it. If you did, please leave a like. And remember to subscribe for future content. Anyways, see you in the next one. Bye!